Climate change cannot defeat us.
How do I prepare for the approaching hurricane season? Money always seems tight, and like me, not everyone can afford to do bulk hurricane shopping. So I prepare a little bit each week, picking up an extra can or two of food, some dry goods, an extra bottle of water, or a pack of batteries every time I go to the supermarket. It's like preparing for a rainy day, literally. I gather what I can, and eventually I have enough for a good few weeks for the family if we have a disaster. You can have it all, just not all at once.
This hurricane season, be fully prepared. This message is powered by the Commonwealth of Learning and the Climate Resilience Execution Agency for Dominica, CREED.